Good morning. For class 6, it is quite necessary to understand about the student of standard 6 as chapter 1 from the part of social science as civics. Chapter 1 indicates the understanding of diversity. This chapter introduced as a syllabus of standard 6 by the NCERT or CBSE curriculum. Accordingly, it is quite essential for the student of standard 6 who understand about the definition of civics, because bifurcation of the social science will be come out as standard 6 after standard 5. Standard 5 as integrated social science, then after standard 6 here the division take place by the NCERT or the CBSE curriculum. According to the CBSE curriculum, it is quite clear for all the student of standard 6 who understand about the definition of civics. Civics deals about the understanding of civic sense, civic life, and civic concept of everyday livelihood. Civic sense indicate about the quantitative and the qualitative measurement of the human being in a society on the basis of the social concept like the cooperation, coordination, correlation, as well as the brotherhood. Concerned to the chapter who indicate as about the editorial of the civics as chapter 1 through the introductory about understanding or the knowing about the civics as diversity. Diversity in Hindi, विभिन्नताओं के क्रम में हमें यह देखना होगा कि हम किस तरह से इसको लेते हैं। अगर इसको हम पॉजिटिव लेते हैं तो यह एकोमोडेशन है, यह हमारा ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट है। अगर इसको हम निगेटिव लेते हैं तो यह डिवीजन के रूप में आता है। सो दिस चैप्टर इंडिकेट अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी विच विल बी originate as existence of ecosystem. We are already know about all about the living organism as about the floras and faunas who fully or partially depend to the biotic component according to the geography. So that it is clear that all about the invisible and visible micro and macro organism who depend to one another, and those concepts led to the diversity. As human beings, those originate by birth of the people, as some people became as white, some people became as black, some people belongs to the rich family, some belongs to the poor family. Some people's differences as about the height, weight, and other quantitative and qualitative measurement are quite different to each other, talent and others. So about the way of the diversity related to the concept and the origin given as chapter 1. So the editorial and understanding of chapter 1, it is quite clear to the diversity is quite essential for existence. We are already know about the natural science as about the study. Natural diversity led to the existence of living organisms, and those existence continued with the help of ecology, ecosystem. In this way, the significance of diversity also come out through the descriptions of the chapter. Accordingly, it is quite clear that a state of big differences from one another indicate about the diversity. According to definition, it is quite clear that differences will be originate by birth of the people and by choices of the people. By birth of the people as origin or the evolution of the living organism, all the organisms of our society or as a surrounding are quite different to each other. Human beings became as humanity, all are the same, but their qualitative, quantitative, social, economical, cultural and other concepts are quite different to each other. So accordingly, diversity related understanding given at chapter 1 through the introductory understanding of the standard 6 student. So differences come out as accommodation, those lead to the growth and development. If those become as division, then a stereotype thinking will be prevailed and those come out with the help of the prejudices. A stereotype thinking indicate about the traditional thinking on the basis of the rituals, customs, traditions and others. So stereotype thinkers know about her or his self-decision is ultimate decision, but those led to the prejudice. Prejudice defined as prejudging condition of individual without justice. No one can justice something about the matter, but if individual who decided it is right or wrong, then those led to the prejudices. In this way, a stereotype thinking of the society as the individual or the whole led to the prejudices and which also considered about the division. Division will be subdivided between two groups, one who overlapping differences and another who cross-cutting differences. Overlapping differences are those which originate by birth of the people, like gender differences, caste differences, community differences, regional differences and so on. But cross-cutting differences are those which can be originated by choices or the thinking of the people, like religious differences and class differences of the society by the thinking of individuals after the birth of the people. In this way, if differences become accommodate, then those become as growth and development. If differences comes to the division or comes to the forwarded, then those led to the division as separation of the society between have and have not. Have and have not of the society led to the different type of the social evils, likely to the caste system, class conflict, regional differences, communal differences as violent form of the society. So concern to the gender problem also originate with the help of the differences if differences become as division. Then about the physical differences related to the concept also clarify according to the chapter as qualitative and the quantitative differences concerned matter also discussed. So that social, cultural, economical, physical, quantitative and qualitative differences led to the accommodation as well as the division. Spoken of the language according to the geologist, according to the scientist as about the anthropologist as 122 and dialects of India about 1600. Our constitution decided to the scheduled language only 22 with English as international language. So that linguistic differences, caste differences, creed differences related to understanding about the diversity concerned concept clarify as about the chapter. Chapter at a glance, something about the question concerned to the chapter, like what do you understand about the diversity? What are the concept, origin and significance of diversity? Why India is a land of unity and diversity? India is a land of unity and diversity due to all about the people from India who live from Kashmir to Kanyakumari are the same to eye of law. As diversity concerned to their birth as well as their social, political, cultural and economical spheres. But all diversity will be accommodated by unity. So, concerned question, why India considered as land of unity and diversity? Some about the other significance of the physical, quantitative, qualitative, social, cultural and economical differences with accommodation steps. Something about the spoken language and dialects of India and scheduled language of India, a related concept given. Thank you.